Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, before I actually start the reset process and show you how to do it, I do want to quickly mention a couple important things. So number one, you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I have a pattern for this. And additional thing would be that if your device has a Google account signed in, which I do not, but if yours does, your device will become FRP locked. And that means that once the reset is finished and you're going through the setup process, you will be forced to verify either the screen lock or the Google account that was signed in on here. And if you can't verify at least one of those, you won't be able to finish up the setup, which would otherwise mean that you're stuck with a brick with a display. So I do also want to maybe ease your mind a little bit. Even if you can't verify this, there is probably a decent chance that some of those like GSM stores that sell used devices, they usually offer services. One of those being unlocking phones like that would have this kind of protection. And this usually isn't like some expensive endeavor, so you can do that there and get it removed. Previously, I used to record videos on how to remove this at home for free without any tools, but Google has patched up everything that I used to record like that, so it's no longer viable. Anyway, let's now proceed on. So I'm gonna lock the device and proceed from here as though I don't know my screen lock. And first thing, we're gonna press power button and the volume up to get our boot options and swipe down to turn off the device. Now you will feel a vibration of the device. When you feel that, that means that the device fully turned off. And now we're gonna hold power button and volume down. Now you're gonna let go of the power button when the OPPO logo shows up on the screen. From here, you want to select English language, which I'm going to expose the image so you can see it actually. There we go. So here we have English. And from here, select Format Data. Now this option is protected by a randomly generated code, which you can see right here. So all you need to do is just type in whatever you see right here on the keypad, which for me right now is 9135. When you type it in correctly, it shows up this thing. All user data will be reset. I'm going to select Format right here, which begins resetting our device, and this process will take about a couple of seconds, and you can see it's already finished. So we're going to click on OK. This reboots the device and continues resetting it in the background. Now this will take about a minute to finish up, and when it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.